Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel TechwithBunmi, and thank you for watching. Are you new here? Kindly subscribe, like and share this video and join the tech family. Today I'll be giving us a review on this Galaxy Samsung S22. So, and disclaimer, if you want to purchase this, the link will be in the description box, and I'm an affiliate with Amazon. Anything you purchase with my link, you get Amazon will pay me some commission, so you are free to use my link to purchase your Galaxy Samsung 22 Note. So watch this to the end, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you and stay blessed. See you in my next video.